All right, today we got some new tires, so we're gonna talk about them. Let's check it out. Super excited to say I've partnered with Kenda on this build, and they were kind enough to send me some tires, which I'm super grateful for. I decided to go with the K270s from Kenda. The tire provides a nice balance between a nice smooth road tire, but has great traction when it comes to trails. The tire is a 60/40 road to dirt, which again is perfect for this build. And I also love the aggressive look that comes along with these tires. These are a tube type tire. They are a 6-ply casing in them. So nice and durable. Installation on these tires as well was fairly simple. I did it myself. Super grateful to have partnered with Kenda. Working with them on getting these tires has been awesome. They are great people, all about community. If you're looking for a new tire for your dual sport, definitely go check out these K270s. But if you just need new tires in general for your motorcycle, no matter what type it is, go check out Kenda. They got tons of options. They're a great company, and I can't wait to get this bike on the road to really test them out.